So I have attached this thing right here. It's pretty much using a tape. You want to use like double really nice tape. But anyways, how this will work is pretty simple. Let's turn this on. Turn the ventilation. Getting the free nice air out of it. Okay. So turn this off so it automatically closes. So this will go through here. This cabinet actually will, I'm going to put this on top of this here, and this 6-inch ventilation, the duct will go inside here. And then I also punched 2 holes for the holders of the microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and install everything right here, and then I'm going to take this, install it in the kitchen over the range. The range is going to be here. I'm going to install it there, and then once everything's set up, I will run this 2-inch pipe, 2-inch, the 2 feet, 6-inch pipe extension. I will put this, I will attach here and stick it into the attic, and and then I have to go up in the attic and finish running it outside. But this, from inside, this work will be completed.